Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is the virtual contest for Weekly Contest 483. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. We're almost back to the beginning, back to live. So I'm really excited. Yeah, I don't really have much to say. I'm gonna just still have fun, enjoy, and it's been a good thing. So let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Do. Alright. Maybe I should restart my computer first. That's not it. Wasn't sure if there was a case I missed because I don't know, it's just a very funky bomb. Say what? You really should just draw this out. It's very confusing. But this is clearly whatchamacallit. Wait, is it? What does that mean? Top? Oh, here's this part. What? Top? I mean, I guess that's what I thought it would be. But that could be 15. I don't think whether there's a dumber way, because I guess not. 15 choose 4. 15 choose 4 should be fast enough. Just doing a quick Google. 15 choose 4 is but then it's 15. So it's 15. No, it's not 15 choose 4. It's 15 times 14. It's 32,000 should be good enough. Then I don't need this. I mean, actually, I do need that, but. And I don't need anything pre-filtering. I guess it doesn't really matter the order. Maybe that's good enough. Actually, I don't know if that works. This should work, right? have to lexicographically. Yeah, okay. I have to be careful. But it seems like we're getting some sort of ideas. I mean, it's not right, but. I thought about doing some pruning, but I just did the math, that's all, and it wasn't that interesting. Probably even just do a 4 for loops. You don't need recursion if you don't want to. Anyway. I and flip S sub I or T sub I. Oh, okay, so you have 2 strings, binary. You have to flip one of them and it's flip cos. It doesn't really matter which one. If you flip, it makes it the same anyway. I mean, this seems like it's just DP. Oh, but it's 10 to the 5th, so maybe I'm wrong. I thought it was gonna be like a LCS type thing. Okay, so this one I guess is straightforward, but I didn't keep reading. What's swap? IJ. Again, maybe this doesn't really matter. Oh, but this is binary, that's why. So the swap never really, I don't know. I mean, if it's cheap, then I guess it's good, but. I'm confused. When would you ever use this? Cross. I guess you could cross and then swap or something. Is that really the... That just seems complicated. I mean, you can definitely make the cost make sense, I guess, or make that make sense. But how do I think about this? I mean, basically, clearly, you only do something if they're different, right? If they're different, so you can always just flip all of them. So there's always an answer. But flip cost could be high, for example. Swap. What is cross again? Would they ever do cross? I guess you do a cross and then a swap like they did here. You only do a cross and a swap. Alright, I think it just becomes like an enumeration thing. So you can always use a flip to get rid of it. Okay, so flip gets rid of 1 delta. Swap still doesn't do anything, but no, that's not true. I mean, so you can swap by itself can get rid of 2 things, 2 delta. Can also use cross plus swap for 2 flips, right? Because it just means that you do a cross and then you flip. or you swap. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense. Otherwise, the cross doesn't change anything. You could also do cross. Yeah, because it doesn't make sense to do a cross or flip. So cross basically has to do with a swap, right? And swap by itself can get rid of 2 delta, but it depends on the cost, right? So it's just a lot of if statement, but also needs 0 and 1 transposed. Okay, so then now and the actual string doesn't matter. Maybe. No, it doesn't matter because you would never use, because if you only have one character out of place, you would never do any of the other ones because yeah, so then it is just purely on, because if you change something to make it worse, then you have to change it back later. Okay, maybe, right? Oops. Okay, then how do I represent it? I guess we just represent the S version, right? So maybe S1, S. Because by definition, T is the other one. Okay. Okay, so best is equal to infinity. We could set the base case as actually equal to the number of missings times flip cost, right? And then now we can think about optimization. Yeah, okay, so that means that can just do the cross and swap trick, right? That means that for every pairs of SO and SZ, every pair we swap cost plus cross cost, right? Plus plus then now you have an extra one of these maybe. So you have extra of these, and then you get rid of them either by flipping or a swap if you have one of the other, but that's so annoying to write. How do I even write that? So okay, infinity if this is equal to 0, that means that they're both 0. They're both, no. They're both equal to 1, then we do a swap cos, else infinity, because else you have 1 extra and that would be taken count. Flip cos. Okay. And then now, okay, so that's that. I have to do a prioritize swap, right? Let's run it real quick first. 1860. Okay, I mean it's good. We didn't do this one yet. Oh yeah, that's the one. That's what I was saying. We have to prioritize swap. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so that means that let's just say min is equal to min of SC, right? So then now we do swaps to this swap cost, right? And then leftover. That's fine, but and so extra is equal to this, right? So then now you have to swap, and then the extra ones. What are we doing about the extra ones? Extra ones, we either just do the flip cost, or we do the swap thing trick. And you have 1 extra one which you can use for flip, I suppose. That should be good. I mean, those are the scenarios I'm thinking of, but it definitely can be wrong. Alright, let's YOLO. I'm probably wrong because this seems like really easy to be wrong. But yeah, this is a ridiculous problem. I mean, not really. It's just a lot of, it's very tricky case enumeration, and I probably could have written this in a way that is easier to debug. Instead, I wrote it in a way that if I had been wrong, it would be impossible to debug. But okay, let's Q4, let's go. How much time? 2 hours? That's not right. Why is this a long contest? Did I do something weird? Okay, well, I don't know what happened there. I don't know what's going on, but let's just solve it before 2 hours anyway. There's only 12 lists, so this is just bitmask DP, right? Funny that we almost kind of did that on Q2 anyway. Is it bitmask DP? Or is it I mean, it is there is bitmask, but it's actually it's actually whatchamacallit, like you have to do like the 3 to the n trick. how do I write it exactly? I mean, I was gonna write it top down, but I guess probably. Yeah, probably need to do it. Another thing. Was it called sum over subset or something? Right? Okay. I mean, we have to pre-calculate the median. So then, yeah. And then I have to figure out how to merge, but not merge, but I have to figure out how to do the DP exactly. I forgot, but that part's fine, maybe. It should be fast enough, but maybe not. I don't know. I guess we'll see. I thought I could use extend. What is SL update? Hopefully that works. This by definition should be good, right? Why is this wrong? Oh, because it can be 0. I don't know. Let's do that for now. Oh. Oh, I did it the other way. Whoops. Is this right? Probably right, but also need, let's just say, oh, this one I probably don't need to pre-calculate, but yeah, it's fine. Okay, so we need it for that, and then it is just I'm trying to do it not 4 to the n. I'm trying to think what's the easiest way to do it. Oh, of course. It is just subset, right? And then it is the complementary of that subset. So okay, that makes sense actually. Yeah, okay. What am I doing? Okay, so you take the left and you take the right, and then what? You get the cost. Oh, I say no. This doesn't make sense. I mean, it's fine, we need at least one of the list, right? That's not the base case. That's fine. Yeah, okay. Is that it? Right. What am I doing? Maybe that's it. Cost of, yeah, okay, yeah, because this is the total cost of whatever. Okay. Yeah. I don't know why I'm writing it this way, actually. You could probably just check the bit count, but I didn't want to keep checking the bit count. I don't know that this is faster than just checking the bit count though, so maybe I'm wrong on this one. Okay, and then now yeah, because it can't do itself. Is it n-1? Wait, how is it? No, that's right. Excuse me. Probably dying. It's okay. If this is the problem that kills me, it's probably fine. Infinite. What am I doing again? I have infinity and beyond. Oh yeah, that's right. I want an F-min. I mean, that's it, right? So then now, so best is equal to F-min, best F of B plus F of, it's technically F of, no, that's right. Okay, yeah, no, that's right. Yeah, no, that's right. I always try to think about what to do with the zeros, but I guess it doesn't do anything because it doesn't get flipped. So it's this plus the cost, which is length of B. Oh, let's just go with C0. I don't know why I call it C, I forgot. B plus length of C plus absolute value of medians of B minus medians of C, and we are Gucci, I think, right? Something like that. Ooh, so close. We got this one wrong. Why? I mean, it's good because this is an easy one to debug, or it ought to be. Okay, so medians are, ooh, 7, that's probably why. No, 7 is the order numbers. Maybe 0, 1, 2, no. Both is, no, the 7 is wrong. Why is this wrong? So this number is 4. Oh, okay. I mean, that's easy fix. For 4, you want 1. for 5, you want 2. So this should work, right? For the index. Alright, so that looks okay. Yeah, we're going to change it slightly. Why not? It's an extra 20 seconds should be fine. Hopefully no silly mistakes. I mean, I won't even mention, I guess typos and time limit exceeded because I did it top down instead. Maybe I should have done bottoms up because Leetcode things. And we're almost done. I hate that Leetcode just makes you write like very unnaturally, at least in Python. And I'm lazy today. I'm not. I mean, I could rewrite this, and maybe I should I should have written this to begin with the other way, but I don't know. It is what it is. We'll just ask ChatGPT to convert my code for me. Hang on. If I could find my ChatGPT window. Do I have a chat? Oh no, there it is. We'll see if it works. And if it doesn't work, I still just blame Leetcode, but yeah. Yeah, I mean, again, is another classic Python Java thing. Oh, I mean, I think someone told me that there was an issue with this contest though. Well, I think only in the US, so maybe in China would have been so it's like accurate in China maybe, I don't know. So 17 was pretty nice though in that context. And keep in mind that I ate a 5-minute penalty, so I would have been faster maybe. Not by that much. I mean like 13. 17 or 13 is fine too. But yeah. We'll do a retro real quick. Let me take a mental break. Yeah, let's do a retro. I don't remember any. I mean, I guess I should remember Q3, right? Am I? How? Oh yeah, this one. Yeah, that's right. I mean, that's fine. Because I forgot what it was. Honestly. Yeah, so Q1, I mean, yeah, the thing is that with larger numbers, right? With numbers that are larger or whatever, the longer the string or the longer the number, unless you have leading zeros for some reason, it's always going to be the longer is the bigger number, right? Like if you have 1,000, it doesn't matter you have 999. The nines are big, but 1,000 is still more, right? So by that idea, you don't really want to remove anything really, but you have to make it an even number. So that's basically the logic I have for this, right? Oh, I forgot that I'm not explaining yet. So, well, I mean, I could explain, but it's just a retro. But one was fine. Q2, we have 15 numbers. I mean, it's just about doing 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 4, maybe if you want to say, for the number of characters. After that, it's just you see that the numbers are so small that it's just, yeah, brute force. It took me a little bit of time though. This one, I mean, this one is just about enumeration in terms of the number of cases, and then just think through whether there are more possibilities. I don't really have any trick for this one other than think harder, I suppose, for me. Note to myself, just to be clear, not for anyone else. And Q4 was pretty straightforward. I mean, I almost was going to say, yeah, like my Q3 and Q4 time is mostly the same. So Yeah, and some of that, I don't know. Well, I just was a little bit slower on Q4 because I figure I got it anyway, to be frank. Except for 9 Python apparently. Well, I should do it bottoms up, but probably could have done it bottoms up, but still annoying though that they make you do it. But yeah, that's it. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.